I didn't even really know what to expect. I won't lie, because I've never lived with like a pregnant lady. In fact, my child was the first newborn I ever carried. I'm not really a baby person like that.
Hi. Welcome to Chuches Mind.
Yeah. My is different to your dripping in sauce.
Good morning to you. No birds are chirping. Just what they call that thing? They used to cut the grass. But you get what I'm trying to say? Yes. Let my brain reboot. Wow. But yeah, guys, this is another day, another collaboration. I know, I'm so happy. I don't know why I'm so happy, because I feel like, you know, I'm always saying how I want to meet more YouTubers, like I want to collaborate with more YouTubers, get to know more YouTubers, you know, do fun things with YouTubers, because that's my line of field. So yeah, I told you guys I'm going to be having more collaborations on my channel, because I feel like that's what I should be doing, plus my normal vlogs, and then start my fashion stuff. So yeah, guys, there are more things cooking up for y'all. I'm so excited. I hope you guys will like it though. So yeah, that's basically it though. The only thing is that I don't know when these contents are going to be coming out, because I need time to actually edit, and there's really no time on my hands, because if I'm not having to go somewhere or do something, sleep is also important. I'm breaking out. I don't know why. You guys can't really see. You guys be like, can you shut up? You that you have fresh skin. You're saying you're breaking out. But I am. Like my forehead, I have some bumps. Can you see them? Ah, this is so much. But it's all good. It's all good. It's all Gucci. I'll see you guys. I shouldn't be picking my eye in front of you guys. That's not nice. I feel like I look so different. Probably it's because I threaded my brows. I did my brows a little bit. Or more. I love my new brows though. But yeah, guys, I'ma see y'all when I see y'all. If you guys know this backdrop, you know where I am. And if you don't know about this backdrop, I'm sorry for you. But you're about to know today. She's even laughing in the background. Popping girl.
Hi. Welcome to our channel.
Yes. This is Muna.
Hi guys.
And this is Chuche. She's about to transform me into, I'm not gonna talk. When she's done, you're gonna know. Yeah. The lighting here is amazing. Oh my god. Everybody's skin is just glowing.
I don't look like this in real life too. Yeah. Lighting at your camera. Quality.
So let's get into this video. I'm gonna come back and show
then we're gonna go and yes,
I'm not going to eat
and yes, because I'm hungry. I'm doing intermittent fasting. I'm hungry.
Hey guys, look, is done. Just pretty sexy
skin.
eyebrow. Oh my god, this is blade. Let me show you the look we're going for.
Let me unplug it.
Yeah, so focus on her face, please. This is what we're trying to achieve, and this is me right here.
It's just somebody that Chuche is just so fine that you couldn't really reduce to that level of old school ratchetness.
But yeah, guys, if you guys want to see how we achieve this look, it's gonna be on Muna's channel. Yeah. So yeah, before I now say rubbish again like I did yesterday, the link to her video is going to be in the description box below. Because yesterday I was saying the description will be in the link below.
That was the day.
So yeah, her link and her details will be in the description box below. So see you when we get to our next location.
Okay. Which way are we going to?
That's where I want to turn. Is it here? I don't even know where it is. I just know it's that side.
Yeah. Just park somewhere here.
So this is where they are taking their pictures.
Do we drive all the way inside? And yes, I still did it.
Oh, I was already recording. I didn't know that. I pressed it by mistake. We are here.
Hi. Well, Marcelino's. We're about to go and eat.
This is where I could not pronounce, but she's saying it for me.
Marcelino's.
Yeah. So you guys, a B-roll is about to be inserted. Right.
Enjoy.
This milkshake is amazing. Like,
Thank you.
you guys, like, we're meant to do a video here,
But
we are changing our mind.
this is your face.
So I'm going to come like this. The lady that owns this place is so rude.
Very rude. Extremely rude.
Like, you know how normally vlogging process, you walk in, you are vlogging your process walking in. She just starts backing. Like every time you come here, you do this. I'm just like, but we emailed this. Okay, not email.
I called and I spoke with the manager on Tuesday and said that as long as you come here and you eat like regular, normal, that you can do whatever.
Exactly, but now they're like she's harassing us, and I'm just like, I'm not doing my mukbang here again. I'm just going to go to her house and do like a video and then leave.
I feel like, is this how bloggers in Nigeria suffer? Like, this is I'm never going to be a blogger. Like, after this experience, I'm just not interested because she was so rude. I was sitting away from her to get
and she was shouting on the top of her voice. Like, calm down. You don't even know. At least ask us, oh, are you getting food or something?
Are you here to eat? Are you
just shouting?
Very disgusting. The name of this Marcelino's. So yeah, do what you will with this. Very rude.
And the place is so beautiful. Like the ambience is so nice. Like
ambience
for
will not make
everything.
up for bad service.
Chuche. This is a turkey sandwich. Lovely.
Yeah.
Vanilla milkshake. Lovely.
Same. Lovely.
So we were saying.
Okay. We said that we're coming in to eat and everything. And she still kept like complaining.
Shouting. Yes. Like, this is not allowed. I'll show you guys the sign where they said no cameras allowed.
The place is basically empty now. There's literally only one other customer here. So, what's your issue? If you want to say that, oh, maybe you wouldn't like being recorded, no one else is being recorded. If you say that maybe we're taking up your space, it's literally empty and there's so many seats, like, it's empty. So, what exactly is the problem?
I think she's just angry that people just come and take pictures
and go. But then what does that do for you? It publicizes your place. They don't break your products. They don't do anything. So what exactly is the issue? If someone is going to come and eat, they're going to come here and eat. If they're coming here and take picture, I'm not going to come here and eat because I want to take picture. I'm going to take picture because I want to come here and eat. Your place is not so fine that it's not Buckingham Palace that I'll say, okay, I'm waking up this morning, have my bath, I'll come out and I'll eat because I want to take picture here. No. I was already hungry.
I'm trying to understand why they're always like need to pay
So come back to me.
yeah. If I'm not like a what I call it, if I'm not coming here to do music video or make a movie, why am I paying you?
I don't know if it's ignorance.
This is like a public space, isn't it? Or am I wrong? And you have the free will to do whatever you do on public ground. So I don't even understand.
I mean, this is not a private establishment. And you're a restaurant or you're somewhere that offers hospitality services. What is the problem? It's ridiculous. And then even if you have a problem with this, the way and manner in which you express your disapproval also matters. You can come and say, oh hi, sorry, are you guys going to come here and eat? Or are you just here to take pictures before you now start making noise like a rabid dog? You ask questions first.
Look at that something.
Very much. I'm already in a bad mood.
I wish I was recording, but I wasn't.
I wish, yes. I was already in a bad mood. If Chuche wasn't here, this is one thing that if I was going to have left. I would have probably told her something and I would have left. But because Chuche was here, I'm already made plans and
I was just like, she calmed down and talked to me. Because when she was shouting, I was not even understanding what she was saying. So Anna said she was shouting about you just put me into my call, don't do this. And I was like, please, check out.
Now somebody is here, he's working. I don't see any food in front of him. Well, maybe because we're Nigerians. Because Jonah is Lebanese. Ridiculous.
If I had a restaurant, please come and take pictures. If you like, just spend
like
years,
yes.
come on.
Not come. Because not as if you're not reducing the value of the place in any way. It's not like
They're even helping me publicize it.
ridiculous.
Like, and then the days that you always come here and take picture, one day you be like, this meal looks enticing, maybe I should try it out. From there.
If they even treat you well, I thought that looks nice, you keep coming back.
This one you just monster shout.
If Chuche wasn't here and I wasn't hungry, and there wasn't traffic on the way here, I would have gone.
I swear, there's traffic on the way, it's quite annoying.
And it sounds like nice. I won't lie.
I swear, I like everything I'm eating here. I think the sandwich is like 2,800. Have you?
I think it's 3,000 on the dust.
3,000. And then the milkshake is like 1,000 something.
Yeah.
And the bread is so hard. I feel like we like it because it's
Crispy.
Okay, I'll just say crispy. Crispy.
Crispy. But where is that?
And then it's juicy as well.
This side.
Really good.
Ignore my chest. This pregnancy. This breastfeeding breast. Sorry. I feel like it's just everywhere.
Pre-pregnancy, before you got pregnant, after pregnancy, what are the things you didn't expect or the things you expect and they happen?
I didn't even really know what to expect. I won't lie, because I've never lived with like a pregnant lady. In fact, my child was the first newborn I ever carried. I'm not really a baby person like that, so I didn't really have expectations. But what surprised me was how hard it was to bend down and wash my feet or cream my legs when I was pregnant. I always had to balance on one leg to do everything. And
Like what the stories they told you about being pregnant and after you give birth, that were lies or that actually happened?
everybody just says that it's tough, afterwards, and it is. It's not easy to take care of a child. Like, it's a whole, even though you are prepared, you can never be prepared for the experience. That's when you experience it. It's one of those things that experiencing it is what's going to. That's when you know how it. Yeah. It's hard for your whole entire existence to be about somebody else for a while. All this time that you think you sit down, you're eating. There's a baby there, probably trying to eat as well. Maybe pooping, trying to sleep every single time. All the free time you think you have none. So that was like one of the toughest parts for me to adjust to. But it's getting better now. She's more independent, so she works.
There's no money she's looking for every time.
Yes. Sometimes it's daddy, and I'm just like, yeah, bye.
Be going. But it's easy being a mom at the same time focusing on YouTube. Like the time you're recording and she starts crying. She wants to sit on your lap or something.
No, you can't record when the baby's around. Forget that one. Like I only record when she's in school, or if I want her to be in a video. Like my most recent recording was my neighbor's story. I wanted her to be in a video, but apart from that, I don't record when she's at home, or I record when she's asleep, and I know that there's somebody else at home that when she wakes up will take care of her. Otherwise, there's no point. You're just deceiving yourself.
You start crying.
And you're holding, and then once you carry her, you can want to touch your face. If me and doing makeup, that's not what I do. She will spoil the makeup. You will sweat. You carry her. Maybe you can wash, change diaper. You use to breastfeed. You can't record. Your makeup is there, sweating off.
It's not easy.
It's not, but it's not bad either. It's not bad.
Very soon I have my own 3 kids.
You want 3?
I want 3.
I wanted 2.
3.
I wanted 2, then I had 1. And I said, no, don't worry about that from having 1 baby. 1 is just okay.
No, I want 2 or 3 so that they can all be together. Like, I don't know, I just feel like sometimes kids that
grew up alone.
Yeah. I don't know. They sometimes feel some type of unless I just go and dump them with my sister's kids or their cousins or someone that will keep them company.
But still will never be the same because you don't live together all the time. Don't worry, you get your 3. People who have 4, 5,
7, 10. I'm not going that deep. Because I want us to enjoy family time.
Yeah.
When we're going on trips, I'll not be buying tickets for like how many people? 7 children for mommy and daddy.
Think about mommy, I'll be looking out for any birthday you do, you're not traveling with us again.
Exactly.
God's cost.
Thanks in grandma's house. I swear.
This a good morning. This a good morning. This morning? No, you're not going.
Did you wash your clothes?
No.
Go and wash it. And then like I feel like it was easier for our parents to give birth to so many kids then. It was not that expensive.
True.
But now, school fees, primary school fees, millions. I'm not paying millions for you to go to school.
I like ABCD.
Thank you. As I was telling my mom the other day that I'm going to homeschool my child, mom was like, that's not even the right thing because they won't really have people to socialize with. Growing up is part of
education.
Yes, education and meeting and people mingling with them so you can get used to.
That's one thing. Everybody's saying that my baby is so friendly, she's so nice. Because she started fresh when she was 12 months old. They had to go back to work. So she's been in crash since, and she loves baby, she loves other children as well because she's with them every day. So it really does help them grow.
I don't want the one that is scared of people. Auntie will come and be crying because auntie is touching you. What is it?
You will not allow anybody to carry them. It's always your mommy. You want to go and do something.
Push you. A friend shift. It's not every day mommy. Look to one side. This food is so amazing. This is like my last.
It's a simple turkey sandwich, but it's so nice and fresh. But I still hate the establishments.
Yeah, my tummy just getting bigger. But I don't know, food is life. Like, see this chop
Life, make life, no chop you.
Chop food makes no chop. What that even makes sense?
People that eat dogs. Then the dog no chop you.
People that know me know I'm a sweet tooth. But sometimes I like pepper food.
I love pepper food all the time.
I think sometimes I prefer like all these snacks and all these
Mene.
Man, I don't understand why you're not fat. Look at the rubbish you consume. It's like,
You're lucky if I try this.
no. Some people are telling me I should just wait. That first child. I'm just like, please hold your course. As I'm pregnant, I'm
Girl.
dreaming.
But not even about pregnancy. After you give birth, you have to eat to breastfeed. I wasn't fat when I'm pregnant. It's when I started breastfeeding. Because it makes you so hungry. You actually, like, you are ravenous.
When you're breastfeeding.
When you're breastfeeding, yeah.
Wow.
So you will not be eating it. You will not know. Just be getting jolly.
After breastfeeding, losing. It was more, please, I beg. Even me as I'm saying I want to lose weight, it's still like a long story. It's on the list, on the bottom of the list. Because there's still food. Can you resist it? No, thank you. Thank you. Like, it's just too sweet. It's just too nice. See, I'm gonna take my picture outside there. Maybe I've paid. That's my reason. I'm not sure you guys may look at it too. I don't know why this crop top is coming up. He wants to naked me. But I don't want to sleep. After I finish eating, I don't want to sleep.
No matter what. Sometimes it's so creamy, cheese.
Yeah, everything is just on point. I should come and work for them so I can, still be arrested there.
You know the owner. You're not even an employee. The woman is crazy.
I can imagine I should be shouting at the staff for just
Like you get. Because you're here. I was just trying to let me compose myself.
just go. Are you mad? What do you mean?
Are you crazy? Are you actually crazy? Like, no, genuinely, are you actually crazy? So I can understand why you are being like this. But that's the only explanation. You must be crazy.
What's the point of her shouting on people for no reason? Trying to understand. I think she's that kind of, you know those memes that they show jumping into conclusion. You just
just
that's her. You just see ants jump.
you shut up with that thinking of how much like
Because we're trying to help your business. Patronize it by coming to taste something that you're selling here.
very poor, you know. Because we already made plans and everything. That's the only reason why I didn't cancel. I was like, and we've done my own thing. It won't be nice if we now don't do your own thing. We're now gonna start just looking for where we will go.
Me, I'll just come back to our house, we just sit down there, this video and just go.
Battery's getting right.
This phone battery, this camera battery is already weak. How many years now? 2 years?
But it's still such a good camera though. Like,
Yeah.
fresh.
Bam. Bye guys. Don't forget, I'm going to put the link in
The description box. I'm going to, well, you're already on this channel, so I don't have to.
Yeah.
But
Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yes, subscribe to our channel.
Like, comment, share,
all of that.
subscribe.
Hit the notification bell.
Bye.